If you want to enable Gemini or Google Assistant on POCO F7, if it's completely disabled, then first of all, we need to open Settings, scroll down and open Google. Now over here, we're going to go to All Services, then choose Search Assistant and Voice. And after that, we're going to go to Google Assistant. Scroll down over here in order to find the General, and then make sure that Google Assistant option is enabled and confirm your choice in order to turn it on. After that, you will use Google Assistant, but if you want to use Gemini, then you should be able to find the Gemini app in the app drawer. If not, then you can download it for free from the Play Store. So go over here, scroll all the way down and press continue. Scroll all the way down again and press use Gemini. So now instead of using Google Assistant, you will use Gemini. And last but not least, we can also go to settings, then go to additional settings, gesture shortcuts, and over here we have launch digital assistant, which we can enable if you want to use the power button to activate the assistant. So you can press and hold the power button for half a second in order to activate the Gemini or Google Assistant. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.